Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Algorand, we are trading at 35.36, 24-hour volume. We are down 1.76%. In market cap, we are down 4.17%. All right, heading over to our weekly chart, I'm going to cover daily and then immediate short term for 2 hours. But if we take a look on our weekly chart here, you guys, we are bouncing nicely support around our 20 moving average, which is this orange line here, as this purple rectangle here our supply and demand from our profile volume. You'll notice that the outskirts, again at the top here and the bottom, would be treated as areas of resistance and as an area of support. And what we can see at the very outskirts at the very top here, it was treated nicely as an area of support so far in this week. Okay, we only want to say so far in this week because we are so new or so early in the week that we don't know what characteristics of this candlestick may occur. As we can see here on our RSI at the very top here, we can see a pinch or a crossover from last week into this week itself. And essentially it did give us a sell signal here. So as soon as we see the white line below this line itself, it is a signal that the price may retrace downwards. Now, for example, here we can see that the price came up here at this candlestick, it crossed over, price immediately fell soon after. So again, we may experience throughout this week that the price is going to come back down and retrace back to this area of supply and demand. Now, if we quickly take a look on our daily time frame here, you guys, we are taking a look at this area of importance, this area of confluence here at the 34.90. Okay, 34.90, we can see our two fibs, we're almost touching, retracing closer together. So this is going to be an area of point of interest. So as we can see, that the RSI itself is coming down to 0% for our K line, and our D line is at 18%. Obviously, that doesn't really mean a lot, but so far as we are below 20%. And again, once we see that crossover below 20%, we are considered to be oversold and a buying opportunity may present itself, meaning price is going to come up. So as we can see so far in the day candlestick, we can see that the range here was as high as the 35.65. Okay, so the range itself was really high, meaning that the bulls push the price as high as they can today. Notice the body itself is at the very, very bottom, which does resemble a doji, a gravestone doji candlestick. And normally these gravestone doji candlesticks is a bearish candlestick. And just because we can see, again, the bulls push the price as high as they can simply right here, but the bears were able to push the price as low as they can here. So we're going to evaluate this tomorrow and take a look at the course of action of this candlestick too. But again, if price does come down to the 34.90 or even the 34.80, I am going to be anticipating that these two lines do cross over and price is soon going to come up. It is depending on how strong the momentum is here. As we can see the MACD indicator at the very bottom, we can see the weakness of these bars here as the price, or as these bars are gradually getting smaller, the spaces in between these two lines are getting closer together, and that does give us a hint. Again, it may switch to the green, to the red, and near an area of interest, an area of importance here, then price may soon fall or break this area of support. Going into immediate short term of 2 hours, you guys, as I was saying that there was areas of convergence, confluence, we are going to be taking a look at this area here. And I'm going to zoom in, and I do apologize it being extremely messy with the chart here, but essentially back here on September 22nd was an area of confluence. Basically, when the price is retested around this area, it is going to be looked at in future date. And as we can see around this area, we did test this as a good area of support on September 26th. As price retested this area as an area of support, it is now turned into an area of resistance. As the price is retracing up, we can see these gorgeous green candles. As we are coming up, again, 50% at the 35.69 is going to be a resistance area. Now let's take a look at the indicator of our RSI here. We are at 70% of our K line and 44% of our D line. Once we cross over the 80% threshold, which is this blue line, we may see that the price is going to get rejected down, or it may try to break above it. Now, if we take a look at the breaking above scenario here at this 50% of our fib chart, we can see that the fib or the MACD indicator is getting lighter in color. So as we are coming up to an area of point of interest, which is the resistance line that we have here, and we go from the red to the green, we're going to break above it and retest our 20 moving average, which does seem like it is around 36.14 for our price range, and then may see price come down because the RSI is going to be considered as overbought here. So those are my targets for algo. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment down below, but I'll see you next time. Bye.